Hi, I'm Kendra. I'm going to be your nurse today. Can I get your name and date of birth? Joanne Ingleston, 3587. Perfect. I'm going to provide privacy, use hand hygiene. So today we're going to do a central cath dressing change. Is that going to be okay with you? Do you have any questions? No? Okay, perfect. I'm just going to bring over my supplies. Awesome. Take a peek at that central cath. Looks good. I'm going to just move my screen camera down so you guys can see what's going on. All right. I'm just going to raise the head of the bed and lower the head of the bed. Perfect. Would you like to wear a mask for this procedure or turn away? Turn away? Perfect. I'm just going to hand hygiene, put on some clean gloves. I'm going to take a peek at your insertion site. Is that all right? Perfect. So I'm just palpating. Is there any tenderness? No? All right. I'm not seeing any swollen areas. Looks good. And it looks like we're at 52 centimeters, which is perfect. Perfect. Now I'm going to sanitize my hands again. I'm going to open my sterile away from me. I'm going to take out my sterile gloves and my own mask and pop that on. Perfect. Now I'm going to put some clean gloves on again. And remove your dressing. I'm going to start at the side that's closest to me and remove towards the patient. And this should be sutured down. My tape did come off, so we're just going to pretend it is sutured down. We're again going to check the external port of the catheter. Make sure that it hasn't migrated. It's still at that 52 centimeters where we want it. I'm going to remove those gloves. Hand hygiene. Don on my sterile gloves. So I'm going to touch the outside of this, move it out of the way, open my sterile glove bag, being sure not to touch the inside. Now since we're using these for checkoff, I'm not actually going to put them on, I'm just going to pretend. So I'm going to use my non-dominant hand, grab the inside and pinch, pull and put my hand in, then I'm going to cup and pull my non-dominant hand in. I would then grab the inside like so and get that out of my way. Since my hands are now sterile, I'm going to touch the inside and not the outside and bring that closer so it's easy to look at and find. I'm going to open up what I'm going to use. Make it a little easier for you to see here. The alcohol swabs, make sure I have everything I need. Perfect. Next, I'm going to clean the insertion site with my alcohol swab. Since my hands are sterile, I'm going to grab a piece of gauze, with my non-dominant hand, hold on to that. I'm going to go in a circular motion from the outside, or from the closest area or the insertion site out, going all the way around, under, over, everywhere, until that is clean. I will then put this in the dirty container, get rid of it. Then I'm going to grab my antimicrobial out of my kit. Perfect, and do the same thing, starting at the insertion site, moving my way out, under, all the way until that's nice and clean. Discard. I will then apply the skin prep, so we would take this off, take it out, and just clean that area nice and good. I'm then going to let go of this, discard my gauze. My hands are still sterile. I'm going to grab my securing device, pull that apart, discard that part. I'm going to have this bottom angled part facing towards me, and I'm going to go in domed, making sure that I'm over that insertion site, and then I'll let that fall. Now I don't have to worry about my hands being sterile because the field is secure. I'm just going to pat that down, remove the white part, making sure that we've got it nice and secured. Perfect. I'm then going to put my label down, initial, date, and I'm going to put the 52 so the next nurse knows what it was measured at. And now I'm done. I'm going to coil this up, the external port, and tape it in place if needed, and leave the catheter end cap exposed. I'm then going to ask the patient if they need anything. Is there anything I can get you? Would you like anything closer to you? No? Okay. I'm gonna get rid of all of my stuff in the appropriate containers and go chart what I have done.